Lesson 9 is all about separating strokes, an essential part of fast legible writing. Diagonal spacing strokes. The important part of writing the small letters of the alphabet is not so much the shape of the letter. This can vary from writer to writer, from style to style. The important part is always to have the separating strokes at the front and the back of each letter, these two strokes. So A would be written A, like this. B, the separating strokes come at the front and at the back. So I'm going up to make C, separating stroke. I'm going up to make D. Imagine a lot of children running along holding hands. These strokes are going to be their arms, and this is going to be the beginning of the cursive handwriting that you're going to do. We're going to use these separating strokes to join the letters together. Always remember, you must start on an upstroke and finish on an upstroke. The shape of the letter is not so important. Horizontal joins. The letters begin on an upstroke, and sometimes the structure of the letter calls for the spacing stroke to be horizontal. This is created as a garland stroke, an arc going under the red line and back to the red line. I'm going up to make an O. O finishes at the top, under the line and back to the line. R starts clockwise but finishes with an anti-clockwise garland, finishing on the red line. T takes a crossbar on the red line. V with a horizontal garland finishing on the red line. And W joins from the top to top. And B can also join along the red line. These are known F, O, R, T, V and W and B. These are the only letters that can join in this way. Memorize this group of letters. This will give greater legibility to your writing because they will keep the eye firmly located on the red line.